Hey everyone, great to see you again. In today's video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from Google's VO3 subscription once your credit limit has been reached. A lot of people are using Google's 1-month and 15-month free subscription to test out VO3. And speaking of VO3, it's an amazing video generator. I'm seriously impressed and surprised by its results. With VO3's free 1-month subscription, you can generate up to 10 videos to test it out. But if you don't cancel the subscription within 30 days, Google will automatically charge your account. I've created a few videos using VO3. Let me show you those first, and then I'll explain how you can cancel the subscription.
Where am I?
Hold on. Just a little longer. Hold on. Just a little longer.
So these were a few videos I generated using VO3, and after that, my video limit was maxed out. Now let's talk about how to cancel the subscription, and trust me, it's super simple. Just open a new tab and search Google Subscriptions, then click on Payments and Subscriptions. Don't worry, I dropped the link for you in the description below. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Subscriptions. That's where all your active plans show up. Just a quick heads up, make sure you're signed in with the same Gmail account you used to activate the subscription, or it won't show up. To cancel your VO3 subscription, just click on Google One, then click again, and a pop-up will show up. At the bottom, you'll see a cancel button. Just hit that, and you're done. Since I've already canceled mine, it now shows the close option instead. You'll also see the status showing cancelled, and that's how you do it.